If one can swap fried chicken with grilled chicken, one can easily save up to 150 to 200 calories. For dessert, we ordered a sticky date pudding. No point in having a fitness lifestyle if you cannot enjoy your favorite foods often. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Eat Out Get Fit series, where we tell you how to eat outside and still hit your fitness goals at the same time. Today we are at Fat Jar, a popular cafe in Kailash Colony, South Delhi. The cafe has a fresh vibe to it and it is conveniently located on the main road. The good thing about this place is that everything that they sell is in-house and most of it is organic as they claim it to be. There's also an outside area for the days when the weather is nice and it is mostly encircled by a variety of plants which makes you feel fresh all the time. We are here around the evening time and not everything that we order will be 100% healthy, but that is what we are trying to preach, that balance is key. The first thing that we have ordered is basic cold coffee. Now if you're on a really strict diet and you're trying to lose weight, here is what you have to do. You have to tell the server not to add any ice cream to your cold coffee or not even any sugar. Tell the server to add Splenda or sugar free to your cold coffee instead of basic sugar, which will taste almost the same once you get used to it and will save around 60 to 100 calories. Go for fat free or skim milk. If not, then go for double toned or toned milk, but do not use full cream milk. The first thing that we ordered was spaghetti in marinara sauce with parmesan crusted chicken. Marinara sauce is a good option. Unlike Alfredo sauce, it does not contain loads of butter and cream. Of course, it does have some fats in the form of cream and cheese and a little butter, but still way better than white sauce pasta. Spaghetti is a decent carb source. If you want it to be better, then go for whole wheat spaghetti, which contains the added fiber and a bit more protein. Some parmesan cheese sprinkled on top, which is a good source of protein but also is high in fat. Crusted chicken. Now boneless chicken is one of the best sources of lean protein. That means it does not contain any added carbs or fats and it is pure protein. Since we are dining out, we can afford the extra calories because we do not consume fried chicken on a daily basis, which is very tasty. If you have an air fryer, you can prepare fried chicken at home every day and still lose weight by saving up on the fat calories. Though personally I prefer grilled chicken over fried chicken and pasta. The total calories of this plate would be around 600 to 700 according to our estimation. If one can swap fried chicken with grilled chicken, one can easily save up to 150 to 200 calories. Just goes to show how you can actually dine out and still lose weight. You just need to be conscious of what you're eating and make better choices each time. Some condiments which not only enhance the taste of your meal but make sure that the overall calories of the meal stay relatively the same. The good old duo of oregano and chili flakes and Tabasco, which is a red pepper sauce. Less than 5 calories per serve, an excellent choice while dining out. Not only it goes well with continental dishes but all kinds of cuisine. Oregano and chili flakes, even if you heavily dump these on top of your food, it's hard to add 20 calories from the same. Whereas if you use mayo, chipotle, ranch or other fatty dressings, you are using 70 to 80 calories for just 1 tablespoon. Compare that to a bottle of Tabasco which contains around 10 calories for the entire bottle. If you're finding this video helpful, please do not forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. The next thing that we have ordered is a plate of chicken salad. This is because if we would have ordered a sandwich or a pizza, the total calories of the entire meal would have gone way up. So yeah, ordering in salads can be a good tip to limit down the calories of the entire meal if you're trying to lose weight. But this doesn't necessarily mean that all salads are low calorie. If your salad is loaded with high fat dressings, croutons or even cheese, the total calories of the salad might be above 500. In this case, it was an in-house honey mustard dressing, which is not the lowest calorie sauce, but it tasted delicious nevertheless. For dessert, we ordered a sticky date pudding topped off with toffee sauce and vanilla bean ice cream. When it comes to desserts while dining out, more often than not, there are not many options which are low calorie and delicious at the same time. Now let us break down this dessert. This consisted of a sponge cake whose primary ingredient was dates. Now dates are a high calorie item despite offering health benefits. This cake was then topped off with large quantities of toffee syrup, which is nothing but pure sugar syrup with a hint of toffee and caramel. This wasn't done yet. This hot dessert was finally topped off with 1 scoop of freshly prepared vanilla bean ice cream. The natural sugar from the dates and the sugar loaded syrup makes this dessert very high in simple carbohydrates. If you have a habit of binging on high sugar items such as gummy bears or candies, highly suggest you do not order this type of dessert in the first place because practicing moderation would be very difficult. Somehow if you're not a fan of desserts and you trust yourself that you'll just stick to 1 or 2 bites, then by all means enjoy. I definitely did not stick to just 1 or 2 bites, but no worries, I'll definitely burn this off. No point in having a fitness lifestyle if you cannot enjoy your favorite foods often. Give this video a like and drop down a comment and do share this video with a friend who's a foodie. Do subscribe for more videos in Eat Out Get Fit series. Thanks for watching.